Hey guys, what's going on? It's Abdul Rahman Abu, and let me tell you, building a multi-million-dollar print-on-demand business wasn't a walk in the park. I remember grinding away at a desk job, dreaming of financial freedom, just like many of you. I saw the potential of e-commerce, but felt overwhelmed by the complexities of inventory, shipping, and marketing. That's when I discovered print-on-demand, a business model that changed everything. The beauty of it? You don't need to hold any inventory. You only produce what you sell. But let me be real, I see so many people falling into the same traps, overthinking every step and getting paralyzed by the fear of failure. The truth is, breaking into the $10,000 a month club with print on demand is totally achievable, even if you're starting from scratch. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's face it, starting any business can feel like trying to climb Mount Everest in flip-flops. The sheer amount of information out there can be paralyzing. You're bombarded with courses, gurus promising overnight riches, and endless blog posts about niche selection and marketing strategies. Trust me, I've been there. I spent weeks researching the perfect product, the ideal platform, the most profitable keywords, only to find myself stuck in a loop of analysis paralysis. That's why I want to emphasize one crucial thing. The most important step is to just start. Instead of getting lost in the weeds, pick a niche, any niche, and dive in. Don't overthink it. Your initial goal isn't to create the perfect product. It's to launch and learn. Remember, you can always refine and adapt as you go. The key is to break free from the shackles of overthinking and take that first crucial step. Remember, the biggest regret is not failing, but failing to even try. So, ditch the fear, take action, and watch as you gain momentum on your journey to $10,000 a month and beyond. Now, you might be thinking, Abdul Rahman, the print-on-demand market is already saturated. How can I possibly compete? And you know what? You're not wrong. There's a ton of competition out there, but that's where the magic of AI comes in. AI tools have revolutionized the way we create and design. They've become so powerful that you don't need to be a design whiz to create stunning, unique designs that sell. Think about it. AI can generate hundreds of design variations in minutes, allowing you to test different styles, colors, and niches at lightning speed. This not only saves you valuable time and money, but also gives you a competitive edge in crowded markets. You can use AI to create eye-catching designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, you name it. And the best part? AI is constantly evolving, getting smarter and more sophisticated by the day. This means the possibilities for creating unique, high-demand products are virtually limitless. Let's talk about niches. When you're starting, it's easy to get caught up in the idea of finding that secret, low-competition niche that's going to make you a fortune overnight. But here's the thing, even the most competitive niches like t-shirts are filled with successful businesses. Why? Because they've figured out how to stand out from the crowd. Think about it, a plain white t-shirt? Pretty boring, right? But add a unique design, a catchy slogan, or target a specific passion or interest group, and suddenly, you have a product that resonates with a specific audience. It's not about avoiding competition, it's about embracing it and finding your unique angle. Look for ways to put your own spin on existing products, whether it's through humor, nostalgia, or hyper-specific targeting. Remember, people buy from people. Inject your personality into your brand, connect with your audience on an emotional level, and watch as your sales start to soar. Don't shy away from competitive niches. Embrace the challenge and use it as an opportunity to flex your creativity and build a brand that truly stands out. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Building a successful print-on-demand business takes time and effort. You won't become a millionaire overnight. In fact, you might even feel discouraged in the beginning. You might post product after product only to hear crickets chirping. In the saman, danana, tamush samamaham, mamafamsh. The sales department. But don't let that discourage you. Persistence is key. Remember those successful print-on-demand stores you see raking in thousands. Many of them started exactly where you are now. Zero sales, zero momentum. But they kept going. They kept learning, experimenting, and refining their approach. They didn't let the initial setbacks define them. Instead, they used them as fuel to work harder, smarter, and more strategically. The truth is, Success in any business, especially print on demand, is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistently showing up, putting in the work, and never giving up on your vision. So, if you're not seeing results right away, don't throw in the towel. Stay focused, stay consistent, and most importantly, stay persistent. Your breakthrough could be just around the corner. One of the biggest mistakes I see entrepreneurs make is relying solely on motivation. Motivation is great, don't get me wrong, it's what gets you started, but it's fleeting. It comes and goes like the tide. To build a sustainable business, you need more than just motivation. You need a system. A system is a set of repeatable processes that keep your business running smoothly, even when you're not feeling particularly motivated. Think about it. What are the essential tasks in your print-on-demand business? Product research, design creation, listing optimization, order fulfillment. Break down each task into smaller manageable steps and create a system for completing them consistently. This could involve using project management tools, setting daily or weekly goals, or outsourcing certain tasks. The key is to create a system that works for you, a system that removes the guesswork and allows you to focus on what matters most. Growing your business. Remember, a strong system is the backbone of any successful business, especially in the fast-paced world of print on demand. In a world obsessed with diversification and multiple income streams, it might seem counterintuitive to focus on just one product. But here's the thing, mastering a single product can be the key to dominating a niche market and achieving explosive growth. Think about it. When you focus all your energy on one product, you become an expert in that niche. You understand your target audience inside and out. You know their pain points, their desires, and their buying habits. This deep understanding allows you to create highly targeted marketing campaigns, optimize your listings for maximum visibility, and provide exceptional customer service. And when you consistently deliver value to your customers, guess what happens? They become loyal fans and advocates for your brand. Look at some of the most successful print-on-demand stores out there. Many of them built their empires by focusing on a single product or a very narrow product line. They mastered their craft, dominated their niche, and then, and only then, did they consider expanding their product offerings. Remember, it's not about being a jack of all trades, but a master of one. So, choose your product wisely, pour your heart and soul into it, and watch as you become the go-to brand in your niche. Ja, sabam, that's some cookie. Let's be real, there will be people who doubt your ability to succeed with print on demand. They'll tell you it's too saturated, too competitive, or too good to be true. They might even share their own failed attempts as proof that it can't be done. But here's the thing, their disbelief stems from their own limiting beliefs, not yours. Don't let their negativity cloud your vision. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Was it the allure of financial freedom? The desire to be your own boss? The passion for creating something unique? Whatever your reason, hold on to it tightly. Use it as fuel to power through the doubt and skepticism. The truth is, success in print on demand, just like in any other business, requires a shift in mindset. It's about believing in yourself, your abilities, and the power of your vision. It's about embracing the challenges, learning from your mistakes, and never giving up on your dreams. So, the next time someone tells you it can't be done, smile politely, nod your head, and then go out there and prove them wrong. Your success is the sweetest revenge. And there you have it, guys. The roadmap to unlocking $10,000 a month and beyond with print on demand. Now, I know it might seem like a lot to take in, so I've created a free quick start guide that breaks down everything we've discussed today into simple, actionable steps. You can download it using the link in the description below. Remember, the most important step is to take action. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Believe in yourself, believe in the power of print on demand, and watch as you transform your life. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more game-changing content, and I'll see you in the next one.